Is mass communication a safe degree? This question has been there always because mass communication या mass media की जब हम बात करते हैं इसमें practical exposure, industry learning is very very important because यहाँ पे जो theory है वो बहुत generic है but the institute that gives you the right exposure and the industry connect is the right place that you guys should be in and especially when you are talking about master's degree जो कि आप graduation के बाद करते हो, it is very challenging to find a right college. So when in Delhi, the hub for mass communication, journalism, hardcore communication field, that is where the question is कि हम कौन से college से ये कर सकते हैं जो कि हमें directly industry placement दे सकता है. So today I'm going to review AIMC for you, which is APJ Institute of Mass Communication, one of the best private institute for mass communication in Delhi. Is it really worth it? क्या इनकी प्लेसमेंट अच्छी है? What about the faculty quality? What about the facilities? So is it really worth your time and money? We will understand in this video. So you will get a clear understanding about कि क्या आपको यहाँ पे एडमिशन लेना चाहिए, नहीं लेना चाहिए. अगर लेना चाहिए, so what is the outcome that you're gonna get? So guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I make a lot of exclusive video for mass communication students because I myself, I'm a media graduate. I've done my master's. I've worked in media industry and as a journalist for 9+ years and teaching mass communication students for more than 12 years now. So with all my experience, I can really tell you whether the colleges are worth it or no. So talking about AIMC, which is APJ Institute of Mass Communication. So first thing is the location advantage. Central Delhi में located है, which means it is convenient for you guys for the internship, traveling and lot of other benefits. And AIMC claims themselves to be the media house first and then the college. तो क्या ये claim करना सही है? Looking at their studios and the infrastructure, I would say yes. And when I spoke to Professor Sajal Mukherjee, who is the director of AIMC, he explained that how they work on placement. So when you talk about placement, usually क्या होता है कि आपका academics खत्म हुआ, उसके बाद placement cell आती है and उसके दौरान आपकी placement होती है. But उनका ये कहना है that media industry is evergreen. मतलब यहाँ पे requirement आती रहती है. It's a creative field. At the same time, the student need to network. So उनका तरीका बहुत अलग है. They don't wait for the placement season. They get the industry experts into your classroom जहाँ पे वो आपको live projects देते हैं, चाहे फिर वो advertising में हो, corporate communication में हो, broadcast journalism में हो. इससे क्या होता है कि you are networking before you even complete your degree and that is what is called as industry exposure and hands-on practical. और यही चीजें आपको फिर industry में ले जाती है. See guys, I have been a media student and I know how much it is important that you have an industry connect. Now being a Xavierite, if Xavier's wouldn't have got me an internship to CNN IBN, मतलब अगर मुझे वो exposure नहीं मिला होता तो मेरा कोई background नहीं था मीडिया का. I would have never known how the industry works. And when I went to CNN IBN back then, I realized, oh, I can do this, I can do this. I got an internship, I got the practical exposure, and from there I made the network. So that is why it is essential that you have a good alumni network, also the professors who are from industries themselves. Also talking about the companies that you connect with. So from Netflix to Ogilvy to NDTV, they have their students placed in such media houses which are doing amazingly well. And then comes the most crucial part of the infrastructure, जो कि एक बहुत essential part होता है किसी भी media school का, because अगर infrastructure है उनके पास, TV studio है with multi setup cameras, Apple system with upgraded editing software. So इससे क्या होता है कि आप hands on editing सीखते हो, आपको ये समझ में आता है कि back end में मीडिया में operation कैसे work करते हैं. So if you have these kind of facilities, like you study as if you are in a real studio. That's why they claim themselves as first they are a media house. So if you can see the infrastructure, they have done a really good job. And the best part is कि आपको as a student 24/7 access मिलता है to the well-equipped classroom, which means एक पूरा production set पे आप अपने खुद की फिल्म बना सकते हो, documentary बना सकते हो, शो बना सकते हो, which is why it is really important that the college should be giving you all these facilities. Now coming to the curriculum, as you can see on my screen, they have 1 year PGDM program and they also have 2 year PGDM program. Now the best part again comes is they have added AI in media. They have added data journalism, which is futuristic. Then the interesting one is OTT management. As all of us now, nobody is watching the cable TV, that those days are gone. Now we are more on OTT platform that is growing. अभी आप अगर देख रहे होगे तो OTT platforms ने ads दिखाना शुरू कर दिए हैं. Now there's a major revenue from the OTT platforms, so OTT management is also there. So guys, according to your interest, you can pick up your specialization. And let me tell you, आप किसी भी background से हो, commerce से हो, art से हो, science से हो, आपने इंजीनियरिंग ही क्यों ना किया हो, एंड इफ यू वांट टू एंटर इन द मीडिया इंडस्ट्री एंड लुकिंग फॉर द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर योर PGDM, I would definitely recommend AIMC. You should definitely apply for it, and the application for 2026 is open. The link for application is there in my description box. आप क्लिक करके अप्लाई कर सकते हो. They have their own entrance exam. PGCET mandatory नहीं है, so अगर आपने skip कर दिया है या फिर आपने अच्छा स्कोर नहीं किया है, do not worry. So just visit their website, apply. Any doubts, you let me know in the comment box below. Share this video with all your friends and stay tuned to Media Mentor to get more such honest reviews. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.